right at us. We're gonna have to go.
How's the birds still flying around?
You think you should get the car?
And my car's insured. I don't give a shit. I'm getting a new one anyway. Like for like 50.
We were gonna get the car. We didn't get it.
Brandon, look at the
It's
car.
going right over the top of Billy's right
What is your car? It's over there?
now. Run out of video room.
A ver.
We're gonna have to go in there.
We might go just to the south.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's safe.
¿Sí? No, yo creo ni cuenta se han dado. Yo creo no lo ven, es como si nosotros estuviera aquí atrás. ¿No?
Holy shit. It does sound like a freight train.
Yeah, it sounds.
You want to transform?
Oh. We can go into the cooler.
We'll have to go.
Yeah, the walking cooler.
It's passing our car.
Ya le dijo a la gente,
It's gonna miss us just to the south.
pero le digo para dónde pueden ir, ¿verdad?
Is that what it sounds like? Oh my god.
Para que no nos caiga una piedra en la cabeza. Pensé que ese pájaro era.
This is so cool.
Ya, ya.
Oh my god.
At least it's moving.
Holy
Those fucks destroying houses right
Yeah.
Brandon.
Wow, it's
there.
big.
Those are houses.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this stuff's gonna fall.
Stand under the awning.
Wow, mucha basura. Pobre del que tenga que barrer el parqueadero mañana. Oh, sí está grande, zumba como un. Wow. Ese sí va mira, se llevó la casa. Ah. Sí. Wow. Este va a quedar para la vida. ¿Y cómo se queda quietecito como ahorita que estaba pasando, eh? Va a pasar a un lado del YMCA. Oh my goodness. ¿Cómo huele la basura? Wow. Al semáforo.
Viene para acá, estamos en problemas.
Ah, ya no se regresa.
¿Eh?
Ya no se regresa. Total que no se haga otro.
Ya se desapareció.
Bueno, y sí. Bueno, aquí le cortamos. Ahí estuvo.
my god. Oh my god. You're gonna get creamed. Might blow the window out up here. Cross right in front of me. Don't blow a window out. Don't blow a window out. Don't blow a window out. There's a deer. There's debris everywhere. Oh God, there is crap all over the road. Alright, this is a stopping point right here. Go any further.
Get past these mounds. Past the hill mounds. That's not good. No. It's not good. Yes. Oh my God. That is huge. Cross to our north. All right, keep going, keep going. Crossing right in front of us, just crossed. Oh, huge tornado right there. You can hear it. Stop the car.
Power line down right in front of us.
Yeah. All right, let's turn around. Structures.
Wow. There it is. We're in the perfect spot. Jesus, help these people in Tuscaloosa. Lord Jesus.
Not good, mate.
No, it's going to destroy a big chunk of Tuscaloosa. Jesus, help them, please. Help them be in safety. Doing major damage in Tuscaloosa. Jesus, help them. Oh no. Jesus, help him.
Huh?
What?
You don't look good here.
We're fine here. We're going to get RFD, but we're otherwise good. Debris everywhere. Debris everywhere.
interstate, right where we were. Oh my God.
Maybe of course, although you for their administration. But they wanted to
Stop here, Bill.
Stop right here.
I'm standing. I'm out of the car. I'm out of the car.
Large tornado on the ground. Coming into Hattiesburg. All right, you're gonna go forward, past that ambulance. Ma'am, I need to go.
I'm out of the car.
I need to go. All right, slow it. Go fast a little bit. There you go. Slow it down.
Dude, this is it.
Get on the right-hand side so the ambulance can go by. Left, yeah. There you go. All right, continue forward. Continue forward.
Jump across right here in front
You
of
gotta
us.
continue forward. Go. Continue. I can't get anything on my video with these.
Huge debris!
Yeah, it's huge.
Huge debris!
It's big.
It's going way up in the
Go,
air!
go, fast, all the way. Go all the way down where the lights are.
Watch out for the
Go.
debris!
Michael, stop. Go. You're doing just fine.
No, there's too many people.
Michael,
on the freeway.
Michael, stop. You got go, continue.
Storm chaser, that's all he wants.
Go. Continue around him.
Watch out, there's a red light.
Got it.
And go. Continue. Continue. Continue forward.
I'm watching.
You're fine, dude. Continue. 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 You're doing great, man. Slow it down. You're coming to a red light. You can pass, but you can pass this. Yeah, it's green. Go. 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 Big tornado on the ground. Big tornado. Continue. It's going to pass in front of us. Continue. Stop, Michael.
All right.
Yeah, we got it for you. Continue forward, fast.
All right. Which way up here? These.
Debris on the road. Oh my gosh.
Debris up.
Continue. Continue. You're gonna get up on the overpass. We're gonna get some great video. Continue. Just pass that. Pass it. Pass it.
I'm going to.
And go straight. You're gonna go straight. Just go straight. Continue.
Gosh.
It's a big one. Continue. We're doing fine. It's moving away from us, by the way, so you're doing fine.
Watch out!
No! Michael, I got it, man.
Debris all over the road.
Yep.
Watch it.
Oh my gosh. It's right there. Continue. Continue. Slow it down, slow it.
Watch it go across this highway.
Yes, please. Pass him and keep pass the sign. Pass the sign.
I've never heard it like that. It's hugely loud.
Oh my gosh. It just hit something. Continue. Forward. Forward. Continue forward. It's hitting stuff. Continue. Faster, faster, faster.
There's huge stuff.
Faster, faster. Keep going. Watch out for the debris.
Watch it.
It's big. Watch out for the debris. Slow it down. Slow it down a little bit. It's crossing right in front of us.
Right next to you.
Yep. All right, and dang it. Yeah, watch out. Get in the middle. Get in the middle.
Wait, it's backing up.
Slow down. Slow down. Watch out for this guy who's right next to us. You're gonna run him off the road. Slow down a little. Let him pass. Let him pass. Continue forward. Oh my gosh, I can't even see the raw video. Slow it down, man. Slow it down. You don't want to hit the debris.
Oh my gosh, look at
Watch
the
out for that.
damage.
It's a big one. It's coming into Hattiesburg. Big tornado going into Hattiesburg. Oh, slow down. People are hurt. People are hurt. People are hurt. We need a render aid. We need to stop a render aid now. It's over. Watch out for power lines. Oh my gosh, there's people injured.
Okay, we're going. Let's
All
go.
right, slow. We can't. Stop. We're done. We're done.
Chase is over.
We're done. Chase is over.
Let's go. Chase is over.
It's steady with me right now. It's steady with me right now. Just go ahead and put that back up. Put it back in the car.
I hear it. I hear it. Y'all hear it?
Fix to be here. It's fixing to be here.
Okay, we're not moving.
Why not?
It's not coming here. What are they doing? Do you winch whoppers, please?
You can hang it out the window if you need to.
Gonna miss us. Oh wow.
It's not gonna miss us.
Yeah, it is.
It's coming right here.
Still like a backup zone.
Not much. Yeah, let's back up. You see where you're going?
Yeah.
Oh, look at there, Brandon. I'm buckling. That's why it's shaky. Okay, you're good. You're good. You're good right here. I don't think
It's turning. It's turning.
You think so?
Yeah, it's coming right at us.
Brandon, slow down. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's gonna miss us. No. We're good. Watch. Is there anybody behind us, Colt?
No, there you go.
Good. Keep going. Keep going.
Hold on, I'm gonna get hit this house.
Keep going.
We're good.
It's crossing the road right where we was fucking.
House, house just got destroyed.
Out.
House is getting destroyed. Look. Slow down.
Get out your window. Get out your window.
I am.
Take that shed.
Watch behind us, Colt. You're good. Don't close, man. Panther. Oh my God. Back up. Oh no. Stop. Oh no, what it destroyed. Brandon, back. Oh, it's a trailer house. Slow down, Brandon. No, slow down. You're in info. Debris. What just nearly hit us? No. Pull up, please. Brendan, what's the road option north? Right here. Go. I'm getting wet. Oh no. Oh, it's destroying houses. Go over there, right there. You can go around them. You can go around them right there, Brendan. You can go around them. Sorry. Slow down. Watch the car line. What people? Oh no. Oh no. We gotta stop. Oh no. Do we keep going? Oh no. Shh. We can't go.
Right there.
Yeah, you can go under them over there. Oh no. Oh no.
Too close.
Roll up your window, Brendan. Come on, we gotta search for people. Wait till this stops.
Gosh. Octopus arms. Can you hear it? Yep.
It's loud.
It's very loud.
Listen to it.
Oh boy. Alright, let's get closer.
It's violent.
It's very violent. Oof, look at the spin on that.
It's got their stuff on it.
I know, dude. I know. Time is 4:13. I've got it coming, dude. Oh boy.
Man, it's coming this way.
Could be. Here's Dick. You're down. Oh, that's Ben Holcomb. Oh, dude. That's ripping stuff up. It's getting very big.
Oh, it's getting huge.
Oh, please don't hit that. Oh, no. Is it going to miss the...
It's missing it.
let's see what it does to that tree.
It's going to be violent, violent, violent.
Looks like the Moore, Oklahoma tornado. All right, nothing above our head, so we're good. Now my ears are popping. All right, we're gonna get a lot of RFD here.
Yep.
All right, let's get closer. Oh, look at the vortices in that.
I know. Man, those are active vortices.
Look at the suction. Oh my god.
I almost just want to watch.
I know, it's so mesmerizing.
It's like stalled out. Almost. Now it's still rope out maybe?
No, it's not gonna rope out. It's still gonna go. Let's go.
In temperature, it's indistinguishable from the inflow,
Yeah.
which is why this tornado is so violent.
Yeah, warm inflow.
Yeah,
Oh,
this is one of the best tornadoes I've ever seen. Jeez.
Oh, it just hit something.
Man. Stop.
Oh,
Power
it's
flashes.
Power flashes. It's hitting stuff.
It's crossing the road.
It's hitting something. Oh, God. Oh, God, it's hitting stuff.
Drill.
think it's structures. Oh no. No, 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 don't do that. Oh.
This thing is not moving. It could.
Yes, it is.
Watch out. That's stopping.
I know. Oh my god. All right, back the other way.